Take a ride in the 2006 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.